Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Poco F6 Pro. For that you will need the settings form, so just scroll down your Y next to the camera, scroll down Y next to the camera, because then you are here at the control center and the part of the control center is here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. So now we're at the settings and we will need now the first point about phone. And here we will need the OS version number, and you have to tap that OS version number now for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown, and then you have finally a developer for the phone. But where are the developer options right now? For that, just go back one step here so that you're back in the general settings. Now scroll down to the point additional settings. Here they are. And almost at the end you will find now here the developer options. Yeah, and now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or so much more. And if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable here them on top like this, and yeah, they will disappear. But you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the OS version number, as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.